Step 1. First take a drawer slider and open it completely. Now lift this black button upwards and separate the small part of the slider. Now the slider has two parts in which the bigger part will be fixed on panel number 1 and 2 and the smaller part will be fixed on panel number B. Step 2. Now take panel number 1 and attach the larger part of the slider with the help of 19 mm screw. Keep in mind that the front part of the slider should be equal to the corner of the panel number 1. Step 3. Take two floor protectors and tighten them to the bottom of panel number 1 with the help of 19 mm screw. Step 4. Now insert two minifix barrels on the top side of panel number 1 and two D-nut barrels on the other side. Repeat step 2, 3 and 4 for panel number 2. Step 5. Take panel number 3 and insert 4 D-nut barrels into it. Now insert two wooden dowels in both sides of panel number 3. Step 6. Insert two wooden dowels in both sides of panel number 4. Step 7. Now join panel number 1 and 3 together and make sure that the rough corners of both the panels are on the same side. Insert 2D nut screws in panel number 1 and tighten them with the help of Allen key. Step 8. Now join panel number 4 with panel number 1 and make sure that the rough corners of both the panels are on the same side. Step 9. Now join panel number 2 with panel number 3 and 4 and make sure that the rough corners of all the panels are connected to the same side. Now tighten panel number 2 with panel number 3 with the help of 2D nut screws. Step 10. Insert 2 wooden dowels on the upper side of both panel number 1 and 2. Step 11. First tighten 4 minifix screws on top of panel number 5. Then carefully attach panel number 5 on top of both panel number 1 and 2. Now tighten all 4 minifix barrels one by one. Step 12. Now by the help of other person, carefully connect panel number 6 with panel number 1 and 2. Then insert 4 D-nut screws into panel number 6 and tighten them with the help of Allen key. Step 13. First of all, take panel number A and tighten 4 minifix screws in it. Now take drawer handle and tighten it with the help of handle screw. Step 14. Take panel number B1 and put 2 minifix barrels in it. Now join panel number A and B1 together and tighten both the minifix barrels. Make sure the rough side of the B1 panel is facing down and the side with the minifix barrel is towards the outside of the drawer. Now attach panel B2 to the other side of panel A. Step 15. Insert panel number C in between both panel B and tighten them with the help of 32 mm screw. Make sure that the rough side of all 3 panels should be towards the bottom of the drawer. Now take panel number D and place it on the bottom of the drawer and tighten them together with 32 mm screw. Step 16. Now take small part of the slider that you separated earlier. Attach it to panel number B1 using 19mm screw. Keep in mind that the front part of the slider is stuck to panel A. Attach the slider on panel B2. Our drawer is completely assembled and can now be put into its place. Step 17. Now carefully install drawer into its position. We have completed the assembly of dressing table and now it is ready for use. Thank you for shopping with us. We hope you love dressing table.